Okay, we're at the Powerhouse Motorcycle Museum at Tamworth, and just from the very oldest, which was a Posties motorcycle, 1924, obviously unrestored. So we've got a few Nortons, a JPS Norton. I don't know whether that's a 750 or an 850. An original Royal Oilfield, not Indian. So we got a couple of 750s. Commando's got a fastback in absolutely pristine condition. Got a 650 Norton, Laverda 750 twin, a 500 Laverda twin, and this is a prototype. So there's some very, very rare bits and pieces here. Obviously the old favourites, Trident, and 1968, and this is a bit of a beauty. Trophy Trail, so it's got the T100 500 twin engine in it with the oil-in frame. One of the last ones they ever made before the company changed. And here's one for you, Phil. 350 Viper, Velocette, absolutely beautiful condition. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. So I've got some, this is Honda 6-potter for me. It's an unusual setup. Oh. So we've got a 500 Shooting Star in beautiful condition as well. Paint job is immaculate. Chrome work is immaculate. So it's a Hornet. And obviously DBD 34 500 single gold star. Firebird.
Everywhere is different. Nullable with this time of year, mate, $5 or whatever it is for fuel.
Thunderbolt.
What should you? Because there's no one out there. For miles and miles and miles. And because they've got a cart fuel out there. That's where.
Another Firebird.
Do all that research before you head out there.
Okay, right.
Okay? It's just not like any petrol station here.
Right, okay.
Yeah, they'll charge you.
And there's a 350 version, DBD 32, obviously in racing trim. Yeah, stunning. So not my cup of tea, but we got a couple of Harleys. Another beautiful Ducati. Ducati Strada. Another 750 V-twin. Just a 750 Sport, whatever that is. I'm not that familiar with the Ducati's 900, beautiful. 860cc. Another 500 twin. And this one, which is very, very unusual, it's actually made this out of bits that were left over, and it's a custom build. It's a 450 Desmodromic engine and frame, but all the other bits are what they've found knocking around to make the bike up. It's obviously got a disc on the front which you wouldn't normally have, the electronic clocks, etc. It's a lovely looking bike, and that'd be a beautiful bike to ride in the UK. So this is what it would have been originally, 450 single. So we've got MZ, another one of this Harewood replica Ducati. Big lump of metal that is, wow. And an even bigger lump. A K1 100 horsepower BMW. What a big lump that is. If that fell over, you'd never pick it up. And this one, you definitely wouldn't. This is a monster. So it's a 1200 LT. What a big lump. It's got a bigger dashboard on it than a car. So back to the John Player Special. So CBR 1100. These bikes are in beautiful condition, by the way. Z900 Quacker. Look at the paint job on that tank. Absolutely perfect. Another Ducket 900. An MV. Not really familiar with the Augustas. Yeah, had one of these years ago. Air-cooled 350 twin, RD 350. Another big Quacker 1000 4-potter. Then we've got a couple of Widow makers. The 750 3-cylinder 2-stroke Kawasaki's. And its smaller brother, the 500 triple. And this is an unusual bike, not many of these made. It's a matchless, and it's got a Rotax engine, and they didn't make many of these. It's only a single, but 4-valve head, so 2 exhaust valves, so 2 pipes. And this is a very rare bit of kit also, a rotary engine Suzuki. First one of them I've ever seen. Absolutely lovely bit of kit. A nice 500 twin Suzuki. And there'll be another big lump here. 1300cc Suzuki. We've got a 6-pot CBX 1000 6-cylinder. And I think this, what year is this one, does it say? It says it's a 69, so this could be a Sandcast, one of the first generation Sandcast engines. Beautiful condition. Look at the paintwork on the tank. 360T, not a great, I don't think they sold many of them in the UK. 350 twin, I think that's, will it be a K4? And then again, unusual engine size for the UK, you would find a 350 normally come to 250 guys. Nice little TLR 250, beautiful condition. Montesa, not a fan of those, but there we go, unusual. Just put the speedo down there. Makes it legal, I suppose. And this is nice. It's single cylinder 250 Yam. That is in lovely condition. Not a 2-stroke fan, but that's beautiful. 250 Ossa and Czechoslovakian Special MZ. It's a bloody big size of the block on that for a 250. It's all fins. And this thing, never seen one in real life before, but this is Harley Davidson's Live Wire, which is an electric bike. Probably rip your arms out in acceleration. Very unusual bit of kit. So there we go. Absolutely stunning. So I'll probably post this for you guys because there's some interesting stuff in here, and we'll catch you later.
If you're a senior or a pensioner,